Right, seventh grade, to start off with your warm-up today, we're going to make this a benchmark assignment. And so what that means is it just shows me where you're at in your art knowledge right now. And so we are going to start by doing the design portion of this before we add the color. So you have a couple of different things at your disposals. You have rulers and shape tracers. Use these where applicable. But the instructions say to divide each of your letters into about 12 to 15 spaces, okay? Now I can do a couple different things. So I could do something that's called freehanding this, okay? And I can just use my pencil and come up with my own design. Okay, just sort of like so. I'm not using any sort of shape tracer or ruler to help me with this. Okay, so that's what I mean by freehanding. Or what I can do is use some of the tools that I have on the table. So for maybe my not so strong artist, you might want to use a ruler or a shape tracer to help you, okay? So use the tools that you need to get the job done, all right? So right now I have, let's see, I'm gonna keep this line, 2, 3 different spaces. I want to divide this so I have a grand whopping total of 12, right? So I'm gonna use some straight lines. I'm also gonna use a combination of the ruler and then also the shape tracer. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 spaces. Let's say down here I want to use part of the shape tracer here. I'm going to use the shape tracer, but I'm going to only trace the part that is inside of the shape, the letter shape. Okay, so if it goes outside, I'm not going to design that. I'm just going to keep it to inside. So I'm just tracing it wherever it appears inside of the shape. All right, and then I'm going to do something a little bit different over here. Could do some more freehanding if I want. Maybe I turn this sort of into like a ladybug or something. So you can end up being representational with this if you want to. I would mainly keep it a shape design though, but just wanted to show you different things that you could do. Okay, so for your benchmark warm-up, what you're going to want to do is start by either using rulers, shape tracers, things like that, and or freehanding. Freehanding means you're not using those tools to create your design. To divide each of these letters into about 12 to 15 spaces. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have more. Oh my gosh, so many more than my allotted amount. So I am basically good to go here. Good luck. Use the tools where applicable. If you need to draw a straight line, please use that ruler.